It's almost 6 a.m. and so it's day 3, and we packed our luggage and we are about to take a plane to Pakse. So basically, back when I was little, we usually take the this bus route where you'll take about 5 hours to reach Pakse, but that's more like scenic. But this time we are taking a plane, which will take us an hour, which is awesome. I didn't even know there was a plane that we can use to go to Pakse, but I think this would be nice to have so we can spend more time at Pakse. So we're gonna spend like 2 weeks over there, and I think we're gonna go across to Vietnam from there as well. I'm not sure, but after that we're probably gonna look to driving down to Kinan after that. So yeah, we'll see what happens when we touch down in Pakse. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we arrived in Pakse, and I'm gonna show you guys something cool. See those mountainous regions? That's what we're gonna hike on one day. There's nice historical monuments to see, and if you look over here, you see it looks like this mountain is a sleeping body. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so we arrived at our apartment. So, 1-bedroom apartment. So basically we're going to stay here for a night till we figure out what to do next. And I don't know if you can hear this, but right, so basically that noise is coming from pretty much this tree. When you get closer to it, it gets even louder. I don't know how you're going to sleep through this. Well, apparently the loud noise has stopped from that tree. One of my uncle's house. And apparently, as you can see here, back when, like 15 years ago, there used to be like a little lake, but now it's all buried. Look at this bird. Cool bird. It's like 35 degrees. Hot as. So the reason why my parents came here, apparently for this jackfruit. I've never had it before, but apparently it's the season. So. The standard chicken farm. Not like the chickens we have in Australia. Wow. Wow. Wow.
มาบอกเงาเป็นมหาเงาแขกขนาดร้ายสีเด็กๆขยงเลยข่อยเห็นตายเขาบอกเขาแขกเขาบอกได้สีงามบานสวยงามนกแขกนกธรรมศาสตร์ได้บริจาคอะไรได้ธรรมศาสตร์ได้มันมายืนเนี่ยตายบอกว่าสมัยร้ายสีเด็กกูจะเอาเมื่อได้เห็นจะได้เอาเมื่อได้จะไปฟ้องช่วยจะรอใจเพราะว่าเขาว่าเอาไข่เขาว่าเอาไข่เรื่องเมื่อเลยไข่จะได้มันโมมี่เขาเห็นฟาร์มข้าวแดงร้อย